This one actually, I tried to pull it out, but there's a, you see the tips. I forgot to remove the tips. Here's my treater. Okay, this is the yellow tips. You have to take it out. Okay, see that? You peel off first, and then you can easily just peel up the plastic clip a little bit, just like the other, the one that I just showed. So here we go. You see? Took it out. So then you just put this in. I'm not going to show you do it again, but mainly I want to show you how to upgrade without using this to bypass these converters. So I'm going to solder the wires here. Alright, solder the wire here and disable, enable, which is by shorting out a JB2. Alright, so then we can fire up to see what happens. So basically, I already mount here. You can see I just soldered the red wire to plus 24 volt. Ground wire should be 34, but it's the ground anyway. Just, you know, mount like this. If this thing's too okay, so just mount it back. I already remove the lights. We just stick it right back, right? So basically, we just have to slice right back here, and let me see here. Is it this side? Yeah, this is the side. Okay, just slice right back. I think I put it wrong. Yeah, this is the right one. Let me see. It's a little bit tricky. I forgot which one is on the top. So let me try. Okay. Yeah, this is the right one. Okay, you stick it in. Okay, that's about right. This one the same thing too. All the way. Okay. So you can connect this end to this end. Dip switch already set, 7 on. And if you want to, which is I think I should, let me get a piece of tape. Sorry, I did shut for camera. I forgot the tip. So 2 tips. You can like it, make it really nicely, just like this, and okay, this end do the same thing too. Just secure the wire so when you screw back, you don't want to damage wires. Okay, so if you think this is a little bit high, you can just cut off the plastic a little bit, just in case when you put it back, right? So it's pretty tight. Then let me try the back cover. Should be pretty good. Now, okay, this way I can leave it just as is. That's fine. Pretty good. Okay, so now we're gonna test it. It's beginner video, like I explained to you guys. This one's not working. Instead of finding this DC 24 to 12 DC converter, you can just directly right in here. In order to do that, you have this first. You have disable the enable, which shows JP2. Okay, so let's do this 5 generators. Okay. Flip overs. (24 volts). Let's see what happens. Oops. Okay, you see something? What is going on here? I think I had to set my driver. Here we go. Okay. See that? Now you can see it. Everything's back to normal. Perfect. So that's how you make things simple. You know, if you try to find this, it's too much time and cost. So basically, you just, you know, put it back, put all the screw back. That's it. Thank you for watching.